My name is now Moroka and I'm 22 years old. I come from Lerar. I love acting because it's something that I really love, and I think if I've given the opportunity to do it, I can bring beautiful things and do more. What are you doing here? Why? Why should I listen to you? What? You betrayed me, Ember. You betrayed me. What kind of friend are you? You never meant for things to happen, huh? Do you really want to know what I want you to do right now? Do you really? I want you to get out. I want you to get out of my house right now. Didn't you hear what I just said? I said get out right now.